Love the grill. It came in 2 boxes, and believe it or not, all the parts were there and in great shape. The directions were clear and concise, easy to follow, and I put it together in less than an hour. On the first run, it performed better than expected. Materials are high quality and heavy gauge. It will get up to 450 plus in just a few minutes. I have read that it doesn't have a clean out for the ash. I haven't looked yet, but I suspect there won't be very much, as it seems to run efficiently. I am looking forward to a grill that is thermostatically controlled to maintain specific temperature. Will allow for a lot of cooking methods that aren't all that easy when you don't have that control. I am looking forward to many years of good service from this grill. The price point seems very fair. My last stainless grill held up for 10 years, although I should have replaced the burners and heat deflectors several years ago. I don't see this happening with the Z grill. The heat deflector is a far heavier stainless piece that should outlast me. And the drip pan sits over it, between the food and angles off toward the drip can. They recommend wrapping it in aluminum foil, and I agree. No drippings should ever hit the burner, so that will eliminate a lot of corrosion that might have occurred otherwise. Click link in description for more reviews.